Good morning, students. Today I will show you how to create a ledger. I will post this assignment in WhatsApp group, and this I am going to upload. So first of all, let me first show you how do I open the previously created company. So right now I'm into tally 1 underscore m mdn, my initials. So here only I will create the company which I have already created. I will use assignment file to create ledgers as well as create some uh, sundry debtors, sundry creditors, etc. So first of all, let me just rewind that whatever we have done, whether it is there or not. F11, let me go to uh, company features, F11, to just show you that how things we have done is still there. Because maintain accounts only, no. Integrate accounts and inventory, yes. This we have already discussed. I'm just revising it. Outstanding management, this is for the party. Maintain bill wise details, yes. Then no more activations, come to invoicing, all are yes. Nothing else in this page except. Then go to F2 for inventory features. Integrate accounts and inventory, yes. Maintain multiple go downs, yes. Enable purchase order, sales order processing, yes. Enable invoicing, yes. Use tracking numbers, yes. Accept. Now F3 for statutory and taxation. Enable goods and services tax, GST, yes. Set alter GST details, yes, I will do. Then we open the screen. When we click on yes, set alter GST details, this screen is open. State West Bengal, registration type regular. So please do not forget to give a GSTIN number. The format is for West Bengal. The state code is 19. Then 5 characters, 4 numerals, 1 alphabet, another numeral, then another alphabet, and 1 error code, that is a number. GST periodicity is monthly. Remaining whatever is the default, you just skip it, press yes and accept. So now remaining we are not enabling value added taxes, no. Remaining all other details should be kept no, and now we come out and accept it. Press escape. Now I'll create, as I told you, when we create a company, we already have 2 ledgers created. One is the cash account, one is the profit and loss account. So these 2 ledgers, if it is required in the our company creation page with the balance sheet, we will just alter them. Now according to the assignment, I will just upload the assignment tomorrow, and that means beforehand you watch this video, you will get to see the assignment. Particulars, I have some ledgers for debit entries and some for credit entries. So first of all, to create a ledger, what are the options to create a ledger? To create a ledger, we have to go to masters, accounts info. Under accounts info, ledgers. Under ledger we have 2 options, single ledger, multiple ledger. Under single ledger we will use create, because we are creating a ledger name. So first of all, we have the account as furniture. Now make sure you are well accustomed with the ledger groups, because that is very important. Whatever is the name, that is insignificant, but where are you placing? Like under, definitely it is not capital account, it should be fixed assets. So I will choose from the right hand side fixed assets and then click on it. Inventory values are affected, whatever it's showing, it should be kept as default. ESGST applicable, keep it applicable. Next, nothing is to be done here. Type of supply, it is goods, I'll make it. In the mailing details, furniture. Now here we are going to put the debit amount value. So as it is furniture, so it is automatically here it will show DR. So here it is 10,000 according to the question. So I put the value as 10,000. See, DR is shown, which is a debit amount. So enter. So my one ledger is created. Next, machinery. Machinery is also under fixed asset. Just you have to input the amount at the last. So here machinery is 20,000. Accept. Next, stock in hand. If you have the details in your assignment, do not enter the stock in hand as ledger. We will create as inventory info. So this stock in hand we leave it. Next, sundry debtors details are also given. I'll show you the party details. Next is cash in hand. Now cash in hand is already, there is a ledger in your account created. So let me go back and press escape. I'll go to alter mode. Gateway of Tally, accounts info, single ledger, alter. Now under alter, cash. So in the cash, it is already created. The account is cash in hand. Here we'll put the amount as whatever is given. It is 6,000. So I entered the amount. It is accepted. Now next account head is SBI, which I have to create. So again I go back, ledgers, create, SBI. It is from the right hand side, you can see the list of groups. So here we will put bank accounts. So very first is bank accounts. So I click on it, bank accounts. So all the bank name I have not put, these are optional because we are using educational mode. I'll just come at the end and put the amount for bank accounts. 8,000. Accept. Okay. Now just remember, I have not included the party details. Party details are already there in the assignment. So separately I will do it, as well as stock in hand. Let me finish up all the other ledgers. Now all the credit values. A is capital. Whatever is the name, you have just to enter the name of the ledger, and here you can see the group is capital account selected. You get capital account. Now you come to the end. Capital A's capital is 35,000. Next is again B's capital. This is also capital account. This will be 11,000 is the amount which is given. 11,000. See, automatically, because of the group which you are inputting it correctly, here the CR or DR is appropriately coming in. So if it is correct, you will get it automatically in the screen. Next, after A's capital, B's capital, which you have already done as a ledger. Next is sundry creditors. This also I am not inputting now. I'll show you while doing the party. Next is outstanding rent. Outstanding rent. This is current liabilities. $5,000. Accept. Rent payable is also current liabilities. You just have to remember the correct group which you are placing your ledger heads. Rent payable is 2,000 is the amount. Remember, I have put them as current liabilities. Accept. Next is profit and loss account. Profit and loss account was already there. So I just again go back and do alter. You can see here profit and loss. So I will click on profit and loss. Under is primary, leave it as it is. And now it is 3,000. So credit means it is a loss. So CR it is showing, very nice. Accept. So these are more or less ledgers we have created. Now to show the list of ledgers, display trial balance. So these are the heads which we have already created. I just press Alt F1. So usually Alt F1 is shown to show the detailed and now see here difference in opening balance is 12,000 is shown because I have not made the sundry debtors, sundry creditors and the stock as yet. So now I have to include that. So let's go back. For the party, now for sundry creditors and sundry debtors, that also a party to be done, which is under ledgers. Now single ledger, again I go back. Name of sundry debtors, create it. The name is Vishal Stores. The party is from West Bengal. So under I will click sundry debtors from here. Now maintain balances bill by bill, yes, because a party can produce many bills, so this has to be there. Remaining all are, the party will also have a GSTN number. You can put a GSTN number for a party. It is a registered party, so a GSTN number will be there. So 19 starting code. Some arbitrary GSTN number are given, as because it is an educational mode I have given. Now when the party has more than one bill, you always have to include the total amount. Here two bills are there and the total amount is 10,000. So I have included 10,000 here. But when I click enter, it goes and takes me to the bill wise breakup. Here I will put the bill wise breakup. Tab. First bill was P02. The amount is 5,000. Next line you have to manually enter, but certain things it will automatically take, like here P03 is the next bill number. See, the remaining amount it is calculating from the total and it is accepting. So this is my two bills produced by or sent by Vishal Stores, a sundry debtor. So now I have the details here. Next, sundry creditors. Now there are two parties of sundry creditors. One is Jalan Traders and two bills produced by Art Gallery. So let me first do Jalan Traders. Jalan Traders. Now this party is also from West Bengal. Now this is sundry creditor, so I will select it from here, sundry creditor. Now sundry creditors, Jalan Traders will have some bill that I am going to put it here. Anyway, let me put some GSTN number. So Jalan Traders has one amount and that is the total amount, so I will fill it up here. Nothing to enter here, only the bill details I will enter it. So no other bill breaker, so that is what we accepted. Accept. Next party is of Art Gallery. Art Gallery. Another party. Why 19? Because these are all from West Bengal. So West Bengal starts with 19. Now here Art Gallery has two bills, but the total bill amount has to be inputted here. The total amount is 2,000. So first bill is S02 that amount is 500. Automatically next amount I just have to input the date, and the next amount it will calculate from the balance. 0, 3. See, remaining thing this will calculate. So this is creation of cart. Sundry debtors and sundry creditors both. Now let me go to the balance sheet once again. Reports, balance sheet. Now from here Alt F1 if I do, I get to see this. Now difference in opening balance is 5,500 because I have not added the stock item as yet. Display trial balance. So it's still I'm getting a difference in opening balance as 5,500. So I have not entered the stock. That stock I have to enter it now.